We believe when technology is people-centered, the world becomes a more comfortable place. We know that when we keep pushing boundaries, the future becomes brighter. This is where that journey begins. In 1985, inside a small development lab in Ulsan, we began building our technology, gained experience, and laid the foundation for reaching the world. With better technology, we've aimed to create a more comfortable tomorrow and dreamt of a better tomorrow. Today, here at our new Ulsan campus, we're ready to begin an even greater journey. In this smartly connected space, we boost efficiency and productivity while raising safety and quality to new heights. Today, this place stands at the heart of smart manufacturing to warrant the global stage, setting new standards for trust. We always lead the way into the future. The choices we make today shape our tomorrow and become the starting point for a better world. We'll keep moving forward so that even the smallest ripple can become a powerful wave of change in the world.
Building a comfortable tomorrow.